If your local network has only one router, it will be the gateway router, and all hosts and switches on your network must be configured with this information. So this one, this one. Okay. We are on the router. Alright, it has to be that shit's hard. It has to be the stupid links. Alright, let's look at, for example, a network topology consisting of a router interconnected by two separate LANs. That makes sense. I don't know why I can't get this one to work. It has to do with this IPv6. I really haven't studied on that. In this example, if PC sends a packet to PC2, the default gateway is not used. Instead of PC1 addresses the packet with the IPv address of, okay, for, yes. It would, PC1 would address the packet with the IPv4 address PC3, but would forward the packets to a default gateway, which is Giga Ethernet 000 interface of R1. Got it. So okay, so 192.168.1.1 and 24.8.16.24 255.255.255.0. That makes sense. It's up and running. Okay, so I can, let's try this. Ping, let's see if we can ping the gateways. Okay, we can ping the gateways. Right, why can I not? Okay, but wait, straight through, yes. Wait, router, I think this needs to be a crossover. No. Shit. Damn it. I think it might be a crossover cable. Hold on, let me check. Oh, I need to print these out for my open book test, because this shit's fucking hard to remember sometimes. Where is it? Okay, capabilities. Okay. So, router to, no, that's right, crossover cable. I didn't think about that. Those are layer 3. Layer 3. Layer 3. I need to print those out. Okay, now let's see. Maybe that's the reason why this is fucking getting on my nerves. So, this needs to be a crossover cable. Can't delete that. Shit, okay, fine, fuck. Crossover. Alright, PCB, the 0000. Okay, well, disconnect it. Come on, man. Don't make me fucking do this shit over. You have got to be shitting me. This is some crazy shit. I spent like 3 hours trying to figure this out, and I swear, if this is what it is, wait, like, I don't get this. How can I not have permission to delete this? In the real world, I would simply just pull this fucker out. This is not okay. Shit, what happened? Mother of God. Okay. Gotta delete this whole entire thing, y'all. This whole entire thing. Fine. Why can't I take this out? Yeah, I'm so mad right now. Why can't I pull this out? Wait. I know what I could do. Move this here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. All right. That would be difficult. let's move this to alright, inspect. Can I move this somewhere else? Ah, yes. Hello, hello. It's going good. I'm like in the 6th week of studying for this CCNA. I still have like the course, so it's about to end in like 2 weeks. No, 3. I have 3 more weeks for the first half of the CCNA class to be done with, and then there's another 8 weeks. So that over there, but that's how it's going. So far, it's not bad. I actually like it when we actually do the assignments. I really hate doing all the reading, but you kind of need to do all the reading for it. And I just take really slow, thorough notes. But for the most part, when I do that, I don't have to really go back and look at the curriculum. But you really, oh nice. I'm gonna do I thought about doing the Security Plus, but I decided to instead go with the CCNA Security. So after I take the CCNA course, there's like there's like a 8-week break, in which I guess that time we can study more and sit down for the tests, and then I'm registering for the CCNA Security, which is like another 8 weeks, so I can take that CCNA Security. But I like it. It's not bad. I actually really enjoy this stuff, especially with figuring out. I will, while I'm practicing for this, there's been like midterm exams that's just all packet tracer, and it can be very overwhelming when you look at the instructions on what to do, but I really like it. It's fun. So I was able to get one of them like 100%. The other one, because it had to do with IPv6, and I really hadn't studied on that yet, that was like 10% off, so it was like 90%. But I like it. It's pretty cool. Okay, let me read this again. So, okay, looking at this diagram, PCA goes to a switch, and that is a straight through. No, yes, it's a straight through. Switch to a router. Fuck. Switch to router, I think is, yeah, layer 2 and layer 3. I still think they're straight through. Let's double check. Oh, shit. I still think it's straight through. But at least with the CCNA stuff, you like, it's just too much information to do closed book. I feel like after like, I feel like with years of experience, you can probably do the CCNA with closed book, but there's just so much that goes on. You can easily forget something just as stupid like this. Oh, nice. Cool. I can't wait to. I like cybersecurity too, but more from a programming perspective. I like making encryption and malware analysis. Those are the only classes I took in security for class. But I mean, I do like networking. It can be very convoluted when you're looking at big diagrams, I'm not gonna lie, especially if you don't really understand about subnet mask and subnetting. Okay, so router to switch straight through. Okay, we were right. I need to find out a way to figure this out. Either way, I'm gonna print this out and bring with my notes. router, switch straight through, router to PC, crossover. That's why I couldn't figure it out. That's why I couldn't ping. So, switch. So, straight through, we have this one, 2, 5. Okay. All right. Now for router to PCB, we need a crossover. And I bet this will finally jump up. So crossover 0, 0, 0 to oh shit. Okay. Yes, 96. Finally. Okay, so now I should be able to ping. I was like, there's no way I configured this and it's not working. There's no, I was like, how the hell can I ping from PC to switch, from switch to the damn interface, and then when I'm inside the router, I can ping both interfaces, but yet I can't fucking ping this PC, and I can't ping from PCA. I can ping PCA to the switch to the router, but I can't fucking ping this thing. It made no sense, and it's the fucking cable. So now I should be able to ping. Okay. Okay. Ping. Moment of truth. Something still is wrong, because it should be like, oh, I know what it possibly could be. I did not do the RPV, the IP6. So let's ping this shit, and then I'll have to read about this IPv crap. IPv version 6 stuff. I still haven't really gotten a hold of it. I think it's this here. I have no idea where the fuck this goes. I don't even know what that is. I know what this is. This is the address of the subnet for the default gateways for each PC. I meant, well, for each interface, but I have no idea what that is, so I'm gonna have to read that. So, anyways, let's go back to this. Oh, that's right. I want to ping the interfaces now. Ping. Please work. Please work. Ah, yes. Okay. I have the wrong cables. Now let's ping PC. Oh man. Okay, now let's try to ping the PCA. It was a stupid cable. I had the wrong freaking cable. It kind of actually makes me, when I was help desk at university, I always, especially professors, these smart people, who weren't tech savvy, I'll always ask them, is your computer plugged in? Do you have the wrong cable plugged in? That's hilarious. Okay, now PCA, let's see, 192 dot. Moment of truth. Come on. Yes! Now let's ping the switch. 192.168. Oops. Crap. Interesting. Let's try that again. Ping open restricted as I am ping the switch. I've never seen that before. 192.168.1.2. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, I guess we got everything. Now let me ping from A the other way. Actually, I think I can look, check test results, connect, why won't it, okay. So I still have to figure out link local, which is the IPv6 addresses. So I have no idea what this link local is. So let's go back and let's go back and we got this. All right. Link local. All right. I can share like this on YouTube and Twitch, but I don't think I can share like the CCNA course on YouTube. They'll fucking do me. Okay. It can't be for educational purposes. Okay, so the same process would occur on IPv6 networks. Those not shown. Okay. They want you to do a packet tracer on IPv6, but then in the basic router configuration teach you absolutely nothing. IPv6. That's great. Okay, let's look up link local. Oops, not local. Let's see. What the hell is this? Are addresses that can be used to communicate with nodes, hosts, and routers on an attached link. So I'll be able to address this one. Okay. Okay, yeah, so I keep getting this one. This is actually what I have. The FE8010, which is what I have. Oh, I have one. Are the local link addresses. It is correct that you don't see them in the routing table as explained in previous threads. Actually, it is a single IPv6 64 subnet. Oh, that's right, because I forgot these are 128 bits using UEI format when you get it. Okay. It requires a local link address on every network interface, which IPv6 is protocol enabled, and it is enabled. Okay. Let's look at this bad boy. Geeks for Geeks. What? Hey, I just want to know. What mode I need to be in and the command. Of course, it's not here. Okay. Configure terminal, blah, blah, blah. So, that's interesting. I don't get it. Okay, it is an unicast address. Okay, here we go. That can't be automatically configured on any interface that uses the local link prefix. So it's prefix that we gotta add. F, that's that. E, 80. What's the 8? And then 10. I don't get that one. I get FE, but where the fuck did I get the 8010? Well, it should 8. Huh, I gotta look into that. Okay. Okay, I got this. I don't get it. So, isn't making sense. So it goes in the front. Okay, let's try it. It goes in the front. Let's see. Is it that simple? Just make sure. Okay. Address. FE80. don't see. Still don't see how that would work. So we have prefix. This whole entire thing is 128 bits. So how the I get this. This makes sense. So I'll be using this one. Okay, let's do without the one. Okay, let's try that. Also, that's UI 64. I don't want to use that one. I just want to use the link local. Okay. All right. Fuck. Oh. Is it that? Fuck. Still at 96%. Let's see. I know. Oh. Okay. Oh shit, which one was I just on? 000. let's not do that. Let's do, yeah, PP6. F E A 2001 D E 8 C A D 1 1. Oh. Shit, still didn't do anything. Oh, forgot to do anything. Oh, why? I don't know why it's not. Wait. Okay, so I did do it. Oh, fuck! I don't know how to do this crap. Fuck. The fuck? Mm. I honestly have no idea how to do this. I probably need to just wait until I get to that chapter. I know I did that already. Okay, here we go. No virtual link local addresses. IPv6 is enabled. Link local address is this. Okay, let's look at this example. I don't get it. Okay. It says the IPv6 enable on device with both link local address and a global base of a prefix of 2001 DB8 C18-1. Alright. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay. This is appended to the local prefix address of 64, so, alright. Unicast address. So the unicast address is the global address and the interface ID all together. And the subnet mask is that IPv6. I don't know what I did wrong here. don't get it. Alright, let's try this. Alright, let's try. Alright, I didn't do the EUI, so let's do IP E6 address 2001. Shit, I'm trying to, okay, 000 2001 DB 8 1. Oh, actually, let's look at this first. Okay, so we have 2001 colon DB8 ACAD. Alright, now we I don't have that, so 4. Okay. I don't get it. So I can't get that either. What the hell? What you mean? That's the incomplete address. Oh. It's not. Okay, fine. Of course it is. These are my options. FE. This makes no sense. absolutely make no sense at all. This is not right. I already know it's not right. I don't know, this isn't making sense. Okay, YouTube. Can I have a short? Of course not.
How to get the most of Grammarly free.
It's Kayla on behalf of Grammarly to tell.
Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about the means a network segment addresses. Okay, a linked local address has the range of FE80 to FEBF. That's because it has those first 10 bits, as you can see there in bold. Linked local address. So let's talk about what this means. Link means a network segment. Okay, you separated by a router, segmented by a router. Link local means local, not to be routed on that link. Okay, because the routers do not forward source or destination, must have an IPv6 link local address to implement that when because it can get its global unicast address using information from the router, called a router advertisement. But we'll get there a little later. Link local address is created. Okay, so I mentioned that they can be created and most commonly are automatically by the device. So it's usually FE80, okay, for the first 10 bits, okay, then double colon, and then the interface ID. The interface ID can be done automatically using something called EUI64, that uses a MAC address. We'll talk about that in just a little bit more in a moment, or by a random, or can be statically configured. Okay, so we'll see this here more in a moment here with a Windows device, but devices typically will give themselves their own IPv6 link local address, beginning with FE80 and then a double colon. So then we have just the interface ID it needs to come up with. I mentioned it can get this interface ID one of two ways automatically. EUI64. We'll talk about this more in another video, but this is where it actually uses the Ethernet MAC address to create this 64-bit interface ID. Or it can just come up with a random 64-bit value, and that's what most operating systems are. All right. Or a Mac OS device, you're already Linux device or a Mac OS device, you're already running IPv6, which means the network is running IPv6. Whether or not your router is running it is a different story. A lot of home networks now, like my network, I'm a Comcast customer, they run IPv6 for all their residential customers. So most people don't even realize that when they're going to Netflix, Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, that's all happening over IPv6. Notice though, we haven't already had are running 68. Overview, get information, some presses. All right, so this is just a short introduction into what.
طيب نحن شفنا قبل شوي كيف فينا نعمل انسبكشن لللينك لوكال على البي سي 0 والبي سي 1 اند ذيز كلاينت بي سيز، وشفنا كذلك الامر كيف فينا نحن بي 6 نتورك شوي مشان نقدر نشوف بطريقه اوضح. حارجع اعمل انت افتح عندي او مره واحده كافيه، حقول له انيبل اي ام، له كونف من بعدين، وهون بدي اعمل الكونفيجريشن اللي عملناها بالفيديو السابق اللي هي اي بي في 6 راوتينج يونيكاست راوتينج تو انيبل ات، تنتاكد انه عمل لها انيبل، وهي اكيد كان معمل لها انيبل من الفيديو اللي قبله. كيف بقدر فوت على الانترفيس اللي هو الجيجا 0/0/0 بقلب الار 1 تقدر اعمل كونفيجريشن لللينك لوكال ادرس؟ حنشوف كيف. هكبس على الار 1 حقول له بدي فوت على الانترفيس، بكتب كلمه انترفيس شو اسمه الانترفيس؟ اسمه جيج، يعني بحط حرف الجي اي، بعمل تاب بيقول لي جيجا ايثرنت لانه ما في غيره حيطلع لي اياها. رقمه هو 0/0/0. بمجرد ما كتبتها او بمجرد ما كتبتها بدك بس انتر، بمجرد ما كتبت على انتر حلاحظ انه طلعت عندي مود جديده اسمها config-f، يعني انا هون عم بعمل configuration للانترفيس. انترفيس باي ديفولت مطفي، والدليل انه هون مضوى احمر. السبب انه مضوى احمر لانه باي ديفولت السويتش كلهم مضويين، اذا واحد لما يلي مطفي يعني هيدا اللينك از شت داون. فاذا حاجي لهون وبدي انا ضوي، ولكن قبل ما ضوي خلونا نعمل كونفيجريشن للاي بي ادرس، وتحديدا قررنا انها تكون هي اللينك لوكال ادرس. كيف نقدر نعمل كونفيجريشن؟ حق الكويستشن مارك حيبين عندي سيت اوف كوماندز بقدر انا استعملهم، يلي بدي اياها هي الاي بي في 6 اي بي في 6 انترفيس سب كوماندز. فاذا حاستعمل هيدي الكيورد حق هون طبعا كلهم. انا رجعت بعدين الكرسر موجود عندي هون حق له اي بي بعدين في 6، ومن بعد الاي بي في 6 حاعمل كويستشن مارك تشوف شو بقدر احط من بعد هيدي الكيورد. اكيد انا I can configure my IPv6 address and I can set certain type of things. فاذا حقول له هون كلمه address، يعني من بعدين I need to configure address، بقول له كلمه address وبرجع بعدين بعمل question mark. هون عم بيقول لي كيف بدك الادرس اوتو كونفيج ولا دي اتش سي بي ولا شو بدك؟ حقول له انا طبعا بدي انا اعمل كونفيجريشن لماي اون اي بي ادرس، ولكن انا بدي استعمل اللينك لوكال. فاذا حقول له اللينك لوكال هي اف اي، بنعرف انها هي اف اي، ومن بعدين في عندي 8 ومن بعدين في عندي 0. فبمجرد ما حطيت هيدي 0 شو بدي احط بعدها؟ ححط سيمي كولن سيمي كولن، معناته كل شيء بدي بعد هيدا البريفكس يكون كله زيروز، واخر شيء 1، يعني هيدي هي ماي اي بي ادرس. ولكن لازم خبره للراوتر ان هيدي عباره عن لينك لوكال. فاذا بعمل كويستشن مارك من بعدها وبلاحظ انه اي كان اد ذا كيورد اسمها لينك لوكال. فاذا اي بي في 6 ادرس اف اي 80 كولن كولن 1، بعدين حقول له هون لينك لوكال. بمجرد ما عملتها بهيدي الطريقه بس.
Stop it. No fucking way. Are you seriously kidding me? I could have sworn I did that and it said it was wrong. But let's see. Stupid. And my percentage went up. What a dumbass.
انتر حياخدها. بدنا نتذكر انه طبعا الانترفيس هو مطفي، فاذا انا بقول له نو شت داون، هو ما عمل له شت داون، اي نيد تو نيجيت ذا شت داون، فبكتب نو ومن بعدين كلمه شت داون لانه هو بالاساس ما عمل له شت داون، بعدين حيقول لي انه عمل له انيبل، بعدين برجع بعمل اكزت. بمجرد ما عملتهم بهالطريقه اذا برجع على الرسمه هون حلاحظ انه رجعوا اثنين.
Shit, you have got to be kidding me. Okay, that was dumb. All right, so. Oh, so it's going good. Sorry about that. I hope you're doing okay out there. I don't know if you have any updates on finding any programming jobs or anything like that. I'm actually at work. I've been working on a web page too for work. So I made like a Power BI project, but you know, well, Power BI, you can't fit everything on one page, and higher ups, they want everything in one, you know, web page. So instead of having clicking tabs. So I was like, well, if you want to do that, the only way you can do that is actually by making a custom web page, and I need access to the database outside of Power BI. So I haven't started. I'll probably end up doing some programming here. Y'all, I have been sick. That's another thing. I got like food poisoning out here. I was in the hospital. That's another reason why I was like, I haven't been streaming, and I've been really tired. So I had a lot of work to make up for not only like work, but homework as well. I'm like, I finally caught up with the class for this, to take this, but eventually I'll go back to programming. I fucking hate front-end programming, but now what do I need to do? Oh, that's right, interface. Let's do it for the other one. This one is also. Oh. %, yay! Okay. This shit. Exit. Okay, that's good. 100% now. So no connectivity test. No negative Chinese. Okay, we will take a screenshot. Alright, screenshot of that. And file save. Alright. Alright, now I should probably save this. There's one more I need to do. Little packet things. Eraser. Oh shit, wrong one. Oh, please tell me I'm not connected. Okay, I'm connected to that. Okay. Open a new tab. So this one is alright. It's downloading. $32. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Let's see if I can. Screenshot number 32. Submit. Alright. Alright, we got one more to do. All right. Okay, so let's do this one now. No. Okay, all right, let's go. Selecting, provisioning, and cabling routers, switches, and PCs. Lovely chart here. This lab is designed to use packet tracer physical environment to create and equip a wire closet. Routers and switches will be selected, placed into a rack, and routers will have specified when modules added. The device will be cabled accordingly, according to the diagram, configured using basic commands, and connectivity will be tested. Part 1, create the wiring closet. Our required resources: 1 equipment rack and table, 2 routers, 2 switches, 2 PCs, Ethernet and serial cables as shown in topology. All right, the physical environment. This looks kind of cool. Reset. Damn. Okay, here we go. Guessing this is the main wiring closet. Okay, the lab will utilize a single wiring closet. Once you have located the closet, you will create the equipment rack for holding the routers and switches and tables to create the support for the PCs. Okay. Oh, shit. Click within home city area of the physical. Click on corporate office and then main wiring. All right, we are here. Okay, where the fuck is everything? All right, okay, whatever. And the toolbar in the upper right section of the screen, locate and select icon for create a new rack. Okay, this is interesting. I've been normally doing it by the logical. I prefer the physical. Actually is pretty cool to look at. I'm not gonna lie, it actually is. It looks like a little SimCity thing, but create new rack. Right. Also select icon for create new table. Create new table. Okay. And the top toolbar, use the zoom out magnifying glass icon to verify. Yes, we see that. Okay. Add routers, switches, and PC. From the device section in the bottom left area of the screen, locate and select router 4321. Drag it to the center of the rack. Okay. Okay. Repeat the previous steps, so there are 2 4321 routers, okay? from the device section, locate and select 2960 switches. Okay. Repeat it again. All right. From the device section, locate the PCs and drag it into the wiring closet. Wait. Section, locate desktop PCs and drag it into the wiring closet. The PC, okay, for the second PC. Okay. The devices in the right can be moved to correct the position of the PCs. Okay, cool. All right. I know I have this here. Can I not delete this? Yes. There we go. Then let's try this down. Cancel. Okay. Provision R1. Click on the top router. The rack and open configuration box. Wait. This is R2. So let's move this one down here. Okay. Alright, let's power it on. Do the physical tab, enlarge router. Drag the right side of the cursor fish router. CCNA entirely. Locate the power switch. Zero if there's a green light. Yes, we see that it's on. Green light. In the column to the left of the router, locate and select. It will appear. In the column to the left of the router, locate this here. To the left side of the NIM slot. Alright. Drag the M2 module to the left side NIM slot on the router. What the fuck? I don't even get that. Okay. What the hell? Okay. What the hell? Huh. Click, okay, and the left side, in the column on the left side of the router, locate and select the network interface module will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. The fuck? I don't get this shit. What you mean? Oh, it's power. So, you told me to power it on. Fuck. Okay. Okay, got it. Drag the M2 module to the left side and num slot on the route. In the column to the left side, select the num cover. Drag to the right side. Okay. Okay, what does this do? Alright. Toggle the router power switch back on again. Select Configure tab from the top line. Okay. If necessary, change the it must be exactly R1. Observe the label under the rack. Okay, so configure. Alright. Change. Alright. Display name to all. Okay. The label under the router and the rack has changed. Yes, it has. Select the CLI tab. Press enter to get to user exec mode. Show up route to display verify interface design. Doesn't matter. Alright. Oh, wait, we're already there. I don't think you can get to show from here. Yeah, that's right. Show IP. Oh, okay. Verify. Yep. Let's see. Inspect the front. We got E001, E000, G000. Alright. Our console cable. What interfaces are on the router? Okay, just have 0, 0. Alright. With the output displays 0020 and 021. The NIM TT is in the wrong slot. Power off. Delete tool. Start at. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. So that's interesting. That's useful. Change display on other devices. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this will be for router 1. Okay, enter basic configuration commands including the host name. Alright. archive. Alright, so some basic the repetitiveness. I don't even know how I can make this big. Let's see, can I? Oh, Jesus. Guess not. Nope. Cannot do that. I thought I could change my font size. Can it really? Don't know how to do that. Okay, whatever. Okay. Class. Banner. Today. Keep out. Alright. What else do I need? Let's see. IP. Ah, shit, no domain IP. Nope, that's it. That's no. The hell? That's the booking information. Alright, that's interesting. Oh. Negate a command or set its defaults. Okay. No. Yeah. Okay. Secure the console. What password? Cisco? Okay. Then 1, 2, 1, so let's say something. Password. Let's see, how can I make the font bigger?